All right, so you're asking yourself, why become a 60-inch club member? And the answer to that is easy. You're part of a club that loves hunting anywhere in the world, and including North America or Canada. It's just these wild places in the northern hemisphere. It's just incredible. I mean, we're talking Arctic conditions, snow and tundra and caribou running across the plains and moose coming up the valleys and Dall sheep on the hills. Why not be part of a membership? 60-inch club came about with 60-inch wide bowls, humongous racks, and like the ones seen behind us. That's where it all came from. That's where our passion just grew, was 60-inch club. Hey, that's a great name. We are 60-inch club. And we've taken so many 60-inch bowls over the last 30 years. It's just been an amazing journey for us. And we get a bowl every year over 60 inches. I've been doing it for so long now that it's just been time to share our knowledge and our information with all of you guys. It's just a wonderful way to go. You know, where I'm heading with this is, if you're getting guided by somebody, wouldn't you want to know if they're providing you the best service that they can? We're already spending thousands of dollars to go with them. Why not be a club member and get all the training that we offer you for pennies on the dollar? It's heck, you might as well just go buy a couple of magazines, and they're not going to tell you anything close to what we know, because we hunt every year. And we are doing this every year. We live in North America, up here in Alaska. We know how to do all this stuff. We've already made the mistakes, so you don't have to. Become a member today here at 60inchclub.com. You're not going to regret it. You're going to love every bit of it. You know, I guided for an outfitter one time for that guy. And the camp gear that he had, the selection that he had, my goodness, he put us in Coleman tents. It was terrible. And I'm thinking, I'm just guiding for the guy. But what about the people that spent $17,000 to go on a grizzly bear hunt? How about that? Would you want to be put into a Coleman tent that's like a $100 tent? So, you know, our training videos show what's good and what you want to be in. So that's just where you want to be. You want to know what that guide's going to offer you. How is he going to hunt? If you watch our training videos, you're going to know whether he's a good guide or a bad guide, and that's going to be worth its weight in gold when you're sitting there in camp or on the hunt, and you can be asking him, why are you doing it this way when we know better? Okay? It's going to justify every penny that you spent, and you're going to know whether he's good or not. So keep that in mind. That's another reason why you become a 60-inch club member. I've taken so many bowls, you're going to see firsthand. In our training courses, as I'm talking about what to do and how to do it and why to do it, right behind me are these giant bowls that I literally called in and filmed at the same time. I was a one-man show. I had the camera and I had the call, I was doing the thrash, and I did all of it. And you can see them right here. I mean, this is it. We took these bowls. These bowls came home. They signed the guest book, proofs in the pudding that I know what I'm doing, and I've been doing it for 30 years. So why wouldn't I be super good at that? You can have all my knowledge at your disposal, and you can replay all the instructional videos, because they're video courses. And we also go live 3 times a week and answer your questions. It doesn't get any better than that. With the one-time club membership subscription, you get full access to the vault, field to freezer, how to quarter up a moose. The rules and regulations regarding some of these tips, especially for here in Alaska, it's just what kind of camp gear to bring. What is the best camp gear to bring, and why? All these questions are answered, and you can replay those videos over and over and over. And the list goes on, and we're continually adding to that vault, like mental preparedness. I've been on hunts so hard that I couldn't, and I knew there was a giant bull in the back there. I've seen them many times, and I'm like, how is it possible to shoot a moose that far back in the bush and get them back to home? It just was a daunting task to try to think about, how am I going to do that? And I know how to do it, and I point all this out in our training courses that are going to be located, and that already are located, in the vault. So become a club member today, a 60-inch club member. There's only one, and that's us. We are the 60-inch club. There's no other one like it. You can't miss it. 60inchclub.com is where it's at. We love talking hunting. We love teaching you everything we have. And we offer a whole bunch of different kind of services like hunt planners and training courses, and just, you can call us anytime. You have access to us. So 60inchclub.com. Go check it out here today. You won't regret it.